Need this from on top there. Alright, and then what we're gonna do now is get all these selected elements. I'm gonna copy this across. So what we have here, we're gonna say for each of the inputs with GID. Remember we have this here. GID, where's that? GID, right? So for all of the inputs with GID and which are checked, we want to get their values and we're going to add them to the array. Yeah, that's what we're going to do there. So that's what we're doing here. So at the end of this, we should have elements in the val array. And then we say if val.length is equal to 0, that means nothing is selected and we have a problem. So we say, hey, alert, please note please select at least one record. All right, so that is if nothing is selected, else we could continue and we're going to say val IDs is equal to val join. What that's supposed to do is split that array into a comma delimited string, and we can see the effect when we log it. So let's do that first, and then we're going to refresh our page. All right, so if you say switch gallery, you should get alert, please select at least one record, because nothing is selected. However, if we do select images, we should be able to see the IDs of those images coming out there, 3, 4, and 5, which is great. We could add more, 3, 4, 5, and 9. We could take it out, 4, 5, 9. All right, so that is exactly what we want to do. And now all we're going to do is pass these values to a post to the server, and the server is going to take care of the rest, right? So the server is going to be gallery requests.php, action is going to be switch gallery, and we want to pass in those IDs. I'm going to call the IDs, and the gallery is going to be called current gallery, right? So, and the function should be good. All right, so let's bring these down. Right, so if res is good, we know that we succeeded. All right, so we need to create this action in the server, and then once we are good to go, we could refresh the page, I guess. No reason not to. Make it just refresh the page. But we would want to refresh it on the current gallery. No. We just refresh the page for now. So let's create this action. Switch gallery in our server. So we're gonna say if action is equal to that, and then we also want to check for post. We probably could do these two things at the same time. No need to separate them. But we're not trying to be heroes. Alright, so we need to get the IDs. So that's the first thing we need to get. We send them to the server as IDs, so we can access them as IDs. Otherwise, we just want it to be an array. Then we want the gallery. I believe we sent it to the server as gallery. So we should save it as the same. Otherwise it's null, right? And then we just gonna do a query to our so here's what happened. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do, right? So can't get connection, right? Now in truth, what I should do is an inquiry, but I believe I had problems with that. I don't know what is the problems I had. Oh, first thing we need to do is we need to explode this, right? IDs is equal to explode which is gonna create our string delimited array. String, why am I saying that wrong? Our string array, or just our string, is gonna be converted back into an array, right?